Now that our chicken is marinating, we're going to leave our front burner on at 7, and we're going to go ahead and make our stock again. So I'm going to pour out our 2 cups of water. We'll bring this back to our burner. And just like before, we're going to count out a tablespoon of vegetable base, and we're going to stir and knock until it comes off. And again, because it's mushy here, we're going to try and smash it into pieces. You can do that up against the side or just in the middle. So we'll keep stirring this and breaking up the pieces, and then once it comes to a boil, we'll give it another stir to make sure all the chunks are broken up.